F250 rear turn signal bulb, 2004, 8mm. And just wiggle it off. There's 2 grommets with pins. Quarter turn. Bulb comes out. Wiggle it free. $31.57 is the replacement bulb. Yep, it's working great. Quarter turn to lock it in. Guide pin goes here, and these 2 studs go in these bushings. And then we put the screws back in. And the extra one goes in the cab for the next time. I'm Steve from Workbench-Z. Go have fun with your tools.
Pulling it.